Hey everyone, this is Dr. Ava again, and this time I want to talk to you about something that's been pretty heavy on my mind. Is medicine designed to take over your entire life? All the exams, all the pressure, all the questions, the lack of sleep, or the lack of social events. No matter how little you know, you are going to be asked for medical advice. And no matter how much you try to sleep, you are going to continue to feel tired. And the more you learn, the less likely you'll be able to sit through an episode of Grey's Anatomy without picking out the make-believe. Yeah, that's real. But I want to tell you that you are not alone. All of us physicians and current medical students or residents have asked ourselves out loud or in our heads at one point the question from the beginning of this video. Is medicine designed to take over your life? So hear me out. Here are 3 advice for you not to lose track or for you not to lose hope. The first one is to stay humble. In the first year of medical school, you will already have a feel of what's coming. And the truth is, nobody graduates medical school by themselves. You are going to need help. There will be things your colleagues will be better at and other things that you will be better at. So don't be afraid to admit it and don't be afraid to ask for help. The second one is to remember your passions. During the dark days, remember the why. Why did you decide to become a doctor? Why are you there? Forgetting about your passions in the process of trying to pass every single exam in the top 1 percentile will undoubtedly lead to burnout. The third is to learn how to balance every aspect of your life. Being buried in books can lead you to miss out on some social and family fun, but medical school should not be the only thing that defines you. You are there to pursue a dream and not to isolate yourself. Yes, you need to study. Yes, you need to focus on school. But beyond being a student and a future physician, you are also a human with other needs. So set some times to have fun, to be present in the moment, to build meaningful relationships with others. You need time to learn to manage and balance your life properly. And it's all in your hands. This was basically a quick video to remind you that you may be in a period of struggle or pessimism or self-doubt, but that is not who you are. Don't let these feelings define you or rob you from your passions and your dreams. Of course, if you need someone to talk to, I'm here. Reach out to me. I want to help you. I'll see you later.